Hi, I'm glad to introduce our project for you. Our project name is Taishang FaaS. It's a decentralized micro FaaS system based on blockchain. Here is the catalog. The zero part is a brief introduction to our project. The first part is the background of our project. Then I will show the demo online. The next part is to describe the breakthrough of our system. The last one is the introduction to our team. We built a micro-fast system based on Rweave and NFT. Code snippets written in languages such as Elixir or Rust can be pulled from the Rweave network or the GIST, and NFT can be loaded into runtime to provide functional service support for other applications. Plugin is used for uploading code snippets. It's good to make a quick introduction about FaaS quickly. Function as a service is a supplementary service of traditional cloud services, and many cloud services provide such services. For many apps and dApps, they may only require simple backend functions to get deployed at certain times, in which case Okay, let me have a quick demo show. The repo is this one, and the demo is this one. It's deployed online, and the NFT contractor's address is here. Okay, this is the FaaS system that we deployed online. Okay, it's deployed by Gigalis, so it's totally free. And there are the snippets that we are using now, and it's all loaded in the runtime. Okay, let me show you how to add a new snippet by token ID. Okay, we add code in success. Let us go to the index to CC. Okay, we can see if the snippet is from the NFT, it will show its contract address, and we open it, it will link it to the contracts that deployed on the blockchain. Okay, and the NFT ID of this snippet and the creators that written into the NFT. And we can run the coding snippet just as the other codes. Okay, let me show you. First one is load code and the get ASIC func. Okay, surprised is the input. Okay, run it, and this is the function return. In the production, we can call the snippets by the JSON RPC, and we have used the snippets in our other projects yet. It can be more complicated, such as the multiplicate of the KV table, and to verify the users by the signature and signer, and let us to compare the FaaS system to the old one to see its advantages. The first problem of traditional FaaS is closure of snippets make it difficult to use across users. Traditional FaaS system can only be used by the demander to upload functions for their own use, because the function code cannot be granted to be unchangeable and transparent, so there is impossible to allow an open snippet market for users to use the public snippets which they need, or to carry out combining functions across users. All in all, the opaque nature of function closure greatly limited the imagination of FaaS. The other problem is traditional FaaS is a centralized closed source service. Closed sourced and centralized limited the imagination of FaaS services also. The user has no right to modify the underlying layer, such as the components and the framework. The new file system we built has solved the problems that the traditional files meted. Transparent, open source, and unchangeable on-chain snippets are stored on the Arweave network, or GIST or NFT, are dynamically loaded into the memory when the file system runs. These snippets are transparent, open source, and immutable. Therefore, it's possible to share the uploaded snippets with users through a public snippet market. In short, in the new file system, players can choose building blocks from the public building block market. Okay, the next advantage is the new type of file system is totally open source and working Web3 way. Anyone can run their own small FaaS at low cost, even free, and all code is free to modify. The last advantage is the snippet creators can be confirmed by NFT. The snippet creators are confirmed by mint snippets to NFT, so it's able to donate the snippet creator use crypto tokens. And in the future, more interesting Web3 playways maybe we can explore. Okay, at last, let me talk about our team. Our team's name is Nansky DAO. The slogan is cool-oriented programming, and this is our DAO's homepage. Thank you for listening.